Bitski is a unique cryptocurrency wallet platform designed to simplify blockchain interaction while focusing on security and usability. It serves both developers and collectors, offering tools to create and manage NFTs effortlessly. Bitski stands out for its intuitive interface and compatibility across platforms, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned blockchain enthusiasts. When you navigate to the Bitski website, you'll find an elegant design that highlights its key features. To begin, you can easily sign up using an email address or connect via your existing social media accounts. Once your account is verified, you're greeted with a dashboard that prioritizes clarity and functionality. The wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies and simplifies NFT creation and transactions, providing a streamlined experience for both personal and professional users. One of the standout features is its NFT minting capabilities. With just a few clicks, you can mint NFTs and manage them within your wallet. Bitski also integrates seamlessly with various marketplaces, allowing you to buy, sell, and trade NFTs securely and efficiently. The wallet's encryption protocols ensure that your private keys and digital assets remain safe from unauthorized access. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link in bonus for new users is in the description. Bitski also provides API integration for developers. This feature makes it incredibly simple to embed blockchain functionality into apps, enabling projects to leverage the power of decentralization without needing extensive technical knowledge. For collectors, the wallet offers tools to organize and showcase their collections, ensuring ease of access and management. Additionally, Bitski's multi-platform support ensures a consistent experience across devices, whether you're using a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. With regular updates and a proactive customer support team, Bitski ensures its users stay ahead in the rapidly evolving crypto space. Don't miss out on more crypto insights and wallet reviews. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated.